Welcome again to lesson 5. This lesson we're going to continue where we left off with lesson 4, when we were talking about the introduction of how sharps are established. We know that when we did this G scale, it's called the G major scale, and we applied our tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone structure. We started from here and we applied that structure: tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. We landed on this black key. So basically we were raising the F to establish a sharp. Now I'll try to explain that a little further. I've drawn up a section from here to here, a little bit further up here. This word, there's a new word I want to introduce, and it's called enharmonic black keys. Okay, what we mean by enharmonic is something that's shared. Well, look at this one for example, the keys C and D here. In between we've got this black key here. Alphabetically A, B, C, D. There's nothing between C and D. So this is shared between these. So from a C, when we're going to the right, we're raising it. When we raise something in pitch, we're getting higher. So when it's raised, we use this to say it's raised. This sharp sign. If we wanted to go lower in pitch, say from the D, if the D has to be lowered, again it comes to this shared enharmonic black key. So this is called, it will be called a D flat then, and here we are, lower in pitch becomes flattened, and we use this symbol to represent something that's flattened going lower. So this here is enharmonic. It's a shared black key. It's shared between the C and the D, and it's known as, this is known as either a C sharp and a D flat. It's either of them, depending on how we're using it. Generally when we're talking about this tone, tone, semitone structure, we generally end up with sharpened notes. We do some flats later on, but for now, as we go through here, we've gone from G to G, we've ended up with a sharp, we'll end up with some more sharps for this one, some more sharps for that one, and so forth. So again, we'll repeat, going up the piano, we're getting higher in pitch, going down the piano, we get lower in pitch. I'd like to point out here, we have a B, but we've got no black in between. And here we've got no black in between the C and F either. So basically what we're saying there, because we're not raising it to a black note, we don't get B sharp. There's no B sharps. And here, there's no black one here either. So there's no E sharps. So that's quite, in some ways, convenient to remember there is no B sharps and no E sharps. So we've done this C. With this C we ended up on all the white ones, and now we've done this G scale with the tone, tone, semitone structure. Tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone, where we end up with this. The next one I want to do, have a look. Let's go, we'll go to this D. Okay, let's write it in. D, F, G, A, B, C, D. It's going to be similar, but I'm just going to wipe this off, and we want to see if we land on any further black keys of that piano. Let's write them in, and then we'll work out the tone, tone, semitone structure. Right. From here, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, jump into a D, D. Again, let's look at this. Tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. This is the D major scale, or major scale of D. D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D. Let's see if we've got any of these raised, sharpened notes. By going through from, let's start from this one. Let's start from there. Okay, start there. Tone, tone. Oh, so we've landed there, look. So all the F's are sharpened. Put an F sharp there. Start again there. Tone, tone, semitone, tone, tone, tone. Oh, with a sharp, all the C's are sharpened. And last one, semitone. So we ended up, by applying this tone, tone, semitone structure, starting from D to the next D, we end up with an F sharp and a C sharp. So let's just do it again, show you. Tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. So we can add F sharp in here and the C sharps. So when we do a major scale of D, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, all the F's are sharpened and all the C's are sharpened. We establish that from the pattern from D to D of tone, tone, semitone, so forth. All we're doing, you can see this never changes, this tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone structure. We're going to eventually apply it to all these, A to A, B to B, we've already done C to C, we've already done D to D, we've already done G to G. So we ended up with one sharp there, we've ended up with two sharps here. Okay, so let's have a look at the next one then. We'll start on the A's, okay? I'm going to have to just rub that out for now, just bear with me. Okay, back it around there. So, again, we want to work out any sharps and flats. We're going to end up with three incidentally on here. We're going to end up with an F sharp, G sharp. What's the next one going to be? Well, I'll just tell you for now. It's going to be a G, G sharp. Just right on here then. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and back to an A. Tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone, tone, 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 semitone. So let's start on an A. See where we end up, shall we? Start, tone, tone. So all the C's are sharpened. Start again. Tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 G sharp, that. All the G's are sharpened, and semitone. Start again then. Tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone.